3 years with the same iPhone. Yep, that's me.
Weight and new edges. iPhone 15 Pro is a
Now, I was
delight
right there
to hold in
watching
your
the
hand
Apple
and
event with
ignore by the
everybody
sleek
else as they
ergonomic frame's
announced the
design.
15 Pro
Here's just
Max. And I
how.
gotta be honest, I do think it's time for a change. See, right now I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and yeah, it's a little outdated. I think it's pre-order time. Now I see everybody talking about all of these different titanium colors, but me, I can't go with a muted color. I need that midnight blue. Pre-order secured, and I'll see you guys on the 22nd. Oh yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Cue music. Look at that blue, man. This is definitely one of the best looking phones I have ever owned. And then let's not forget though, I gotta get rid of this old phone and send it back. Now I gotta be honest, I don't think people should upgrade their iPhone every year, which is why I waited so long to upgrade mine. But for me, it was definitely time, and I plan on dropping multiple videos with the 15 Pro Max, like camera comparisons, short films, anything else that you guys want to see. Now, I do have to add the fact that I think that this phone is really lightweight compared to the previous phones. And the color on it, man, is just out of this world for me. I think they did good on this upgrade. I like the way that it feels in the hands. But I got a real review coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. I know this was a short one, but the real review is going to be more detailed.